the chicken farmer who became a race car driver, the driver who became a car builder, the builder who shaped an industry. Let's check it out. Hi. Today we're unboxing a 1966 Shelby GT350. The model is manufactured by Shelby Collectibles, the Legend series. The scale is 118, and the part number is 16115S.
Computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Let's dig in. This short video is about a die-cast model, yes, but you cannot utter the name Shelby without mentioning at least something about the man's legacy. The original 1965 race-inspired Shelby Mustang GT350 was designed for performance rather than comfort. The 1966 model year, however, saw some driver amenities additions, such as rear seats and optional automatic transmission. They also dropped the name Mustang, and the car was simply branded as Shelby GT350. The color of this car and model is sapphire blue with white rocker panel stripes. Here are some Shelby GT350s with era inaccurate music just for fun. The details on this one are good overall, not great, like this Mustang badge right here, but they're good enough to give this model some character. Steerable front wheels, of course, with some nice Goodyear tires. Not the best windshield wipers. Graphics are nice all around. Hood pins are fake, but it's not a big deal. Love the parking lights. The stock engine was a 289 cubic inch or 4.7 liter Cobra V8, which made 306 horsepower and 329 pound-feet of torque. The car did 0 to 60 miles per hour or 100 kilometers per hour in 6.6 seconds. I'm aware that the lighting could be better. It's not really the placement, but the proper hardware that's missing here. You can find this model online anywhere from $50 US up to $90, though it varies on the seller. Look, if you collect diecast or like cars, you need some Shelbys in your collection, and it's pretty obvious. This is a decent buy, but only for the right price. And that's that.